The process of making plywood can be divided into the following main steps. Log processing. First, suitable logs are selected and sawn to appropriate lengths. Then, the logs are steamed and peeled for subsequent processing. Veneer production. The logs are rotary cut into thin slices by means of a rotary cutter to form veneers. These veneers are dried, sorted and then glued and formed as required. Gluing and forming. Gluing is applied to the veneers and the glued veneers are then stacked in a specific manner to form a slab. This step is critical in the production of plywood to ensure that the number of layers and the arrangement of the veneers meets the requirements. Pre-pressing and hot pressing. The formed slabs are pre-pressed and then fed into a hot press to be heated and pressurized so that the veneers are firmly glued together. This step is the key to ensure the strength and stability of the plywood. Edge cutting and sanding. After hot pressing, the plywood needs to be edge cut and sanded to remove excess edge material and smooth the surface. Finally, the plywood is inspected, graded, packaged and warehoused. The following core issues need to be addressed when using plywood. Selection of suitable plywood. Ensure the selection of plywood that has been treated with board surface treatment. Untreated plywood needs to be treated with cold-applied coatings before use to increase the board's durability and mold release performance. Post-construction maintenance. The construction needs to be maintained for at least 3 days before being put into use, especially during the maintenance period. There should be no water or all kinds of solution infiltration. Demolition and storage. When dismantling the plywood, pay attention to the light put and take to avoid high-altitude fall, demolding and timely cleaning of the board surface and brush on the mold-releasing agent. Storage must be padded with wooden cubes and neatly yarded in a dry and ventilated place.